381 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 29 September 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 29 September, 709 people recovered, 12 new deaths reported. Total confirmed cases in the states are 32,777. Total active cases in the state stands at 4,577. Total recovered cases stands at 27,781. Total 419 deaths are reported till 29 September. Goa's recovery rate is 84.76%. Total samples tested till 29 September are 2,52,783. Breakup of total 4,577 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 162, CSC Sakre 366, CSC Pernam 144, CSC Valpai 225, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 239, USC Panji 267, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldana 89, PSC Betki 93, PSC Kandolim 113, PSC Kansarvarnam 52, PSC Korwae 18, PSC Kolim 195, PSC Chimbal 199, PSC Shualim 199, PSC Purwarim 396, PSC Mayam 40, Travelers by Road Flight Train 3. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 54, CSC Kankana 106, Urban Health Center, USC Margao 295, USC Vasco 236, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 51, PSC Kansaulim 107, PSC Chenchenem 62, PSC Kortalim 273, PSC Kurtorim 45, PSC Lutolem 73, PSC Marsaim 54, PSC Kapam 59, PSC Sangam 87, PSC Shiroda 18, PSC Tarbandara 92, PSC Ponda 103, PSC Navilim 62. Bed capacity in COVID care center as on 29 September are as follows. District North, total capacity 545, current vacancy 239. District South, total capacity 1006, current vacancy 618. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.